We now turn our attention to word problems involving linear equations. This first problem involves a walkway of uniform width around a rectangular tennis court. Notice that the length of the court is 78 feet long, but it has been extended both above and below, as I'm highlighting in orange here, by x feet. Likewise, the width is 36 feet, but it is being extended by x feet in each direction. So effectively, the new length is 78 plus 2x, and the new width is 36 plus 2x. This is a common feature in all problems that involve framing with a border of uniform width. Okay, let's turn our attention to the specifics of this problem. If the perimeter of the entire play area is 396 feet, determine the value of x. Well, for a rectangle, 2 lengths plus 2 widths is equal to the perimeter. And in our case, we're going to substitute L with 78 plus 2x, and we're going to substitute W with 36 plus 2x, and the perimeter is 396. Now we have an equation which we can solve. We begin by distributing on the left-hand side. This is going to give us 156 plus 4x plus 72 plus 4x is equal to 396. On the left, we can combine like terms, and this will give us 8x plus 228 is equal to 396. We then subtract 228 on each side of the equation, and this leaves us with 8x is equal to 168. Dividing by 8 on each side of the equation gives us x is equal to 21 feet, which is the length by which each dimension is extended, actually twice in each direction. In this next problem, we are asked to find the value of the question mark. Notice that all three angles, when combined together, form a straight angle or a horizontal line. That means that all three of these angles add up to 180 degrees. X plus 131 plus question mark is equal to 180 degrees. If we're solving for question mark, we want to subtract off the x and the 131 from the left side of the equation. This gives us question mark is equal to 180 minus the x and the 131. You could write your equation this way, or you could distribute the negative on the right-hand side and rewrite this as 180 minus x minus 131 and combine the constant terms together and find that the value of the question mark is 49 minus x degrees.